So I want to make a hole in this to fit my burner. Problem is, if I just make a 32mm hole the correct size, I'm going to have to come in at like a 90-degree angle to it. Whereas realistically, I want the hole to be more of an oval shape so I can come in at the angle I wish. There's no real easy way to work that out. You can sit and you can trim down a bit of more sacrificial material, I guess. Trim the sides off it until you get it close. You could sit and file it until you get it right. But a little trick I came up with, which someone's probably come up with me before, if you got a lot of welding rods laying around, or I guess if you're into wood, a lot of chopsticks, or skewers, or something like that. So if you've got a lot of welding rods sitting around, you can sort of make yourself a little template. So now you can rest the corner of this on here, you know, jitter it around. You know, that's about the angle that you're chasing. Mark it. And then you have your hole. Now obviously I want to take into account the width of the conduit itself, but you can see how vastly different this is than if I was just to trace a circle. The other situation this is good for is it doesn't really matter what size you're trying to trace or whatever. If you don't have a flat surface, but you want that perfectly round penetration, say if you've got something this thick, whatever angle you're bringing it in at, you're gonna be close. You can imagine how tricky that would be trying to trace this up there. You'd get close, but you wouldn't get it right. And once you start adding in angles like this, you might end up with an oval like that. There's all sorts of different angles, but that's an easy, quick way of doing it. If you want to trace something and you want it to be on the outside of the piece, a couple of elastic bands or even a bit of paper before elastic bands give you that, break that friction so you can just do the perimeter. I kind of knew that was going to happen. So I didn't really think of a great ending for this. So this is what you get. Here's the results. As always, thanks for watching.